Hey people, so yesterday I learnt a very important lesson. Yeah, I mean, the fact that it's being said that we shouldn't step out of the house, uh, there is truth to that. I mean, like yesterday I had to visit this friend who lost her mom just like 10 days ago. So I mean, it was that's why she lives very close to where I stay, and so I just wanted to just be there for her. But oh my god, ever since I've returned, it's like the world is spinning. I mean, for me, I don't know, it's in the air. I think that literally there is some kind of virus in the air, and I've been like coughing and feeling all dead. but uh, but seriously, people, just stay safe because there is some kind of virus in the air. So whether it's corona or so not corona, but there is something. So we have to be careful. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.